Yeah, I don't have any. Okay, welcome back, everybody. Good morning, Erin. My sweetie pie is watching this
Morning,
morning.
Erin.
Love you, Pumpkin. Have a great day at school. So, if you've ever gone on a trip outside of or around Jamaica and you were surprised by some of the things you saw, you learned or experienced, well, we've got some stuff to share with you this morning. Our producer took a trip to Japan recently and she was surprised by the varied bathroom facilities. Yes, Footy went to Japan and came back with a bunch of pictures of toilets. Like this one, which looks like a washing machine. You want to hear some music? That's fine. You want to... Footy, what are these other buttons? There she can tell you in your... Oh, you can adjust the volume of your flush. Doesn't have to be too loud if you don't want it to be. You can turn it right down. So that's music. That's the volume of the flush. What are the other one then? Since I don't speak Japanese.
I don't know. I can't read Japanese. So
Trying to figure out the other buttons.
one have music on the top of it.
Yeah, I figured out that one. Other one says stop. I guess that's where you stop. Is that to stop the music?
One has okay, so one tells you where the water is going to spray, which is on your bottom.
So it's like a bidet.
Right.
Ish, kind of.
One look like the stop button.
Why are these gentlemen laughing? What's wrong with that bidet?
One is powerful deodorizer.
Oh.
One sets the volume of the water, of the music, and one sets the water pressure.
So you're
there's the
going to that
bidet,
bathroom.
there is the English man, stop, flushing sound. The musical thing is the flushing sound.
Spray.
So you can change whether I go purr or whether I go purr, or I go when you flush.
You know, I would go into that bathroom
I can't
with a
make
book.
out. Lonnie, look closely, watch the one beside the stop.
It's not just a toilet. It's a
I still can't
machine.
make out the one beside the stop, wait say.
So Harry, you could go in with that newspaper
Wait till Lonnie.
and spend a good time in there. Because you could, do what you have to do.
Kadeen, the one between stop and bidet is saying what? All right, she never
gone
cared.
too far. Oh.
This one.
This one, she says, was in a train station.
Okay.
So whether you're a man or a woman, that thing is on the floor. So you just go and you just hope you can squat. Yeah.
It's in the floor.
Hope your legs are strong. And you just go in and you just squat for,
My
workout.
nerves couldn't manage it.
Why not? Oh,
'Cause
I forgot.
I'm sure half the people who go in there would have missed.
No. Chinese people don't. They're not like that.
Well, Kadeen went in
Japanese.
there. Not them alone use it.
Kadeen was
it's a train station.
Oh, true. But
Yeah.
Kadeen, wasn't it very clean when you went in there? They're generally very clean, you know. They don't really mess around in their bathrooms. Yes,
Me
true,
see some watermark on the tile and on the ground.
It's age, it's not watermark.
No,
it's
sir.
age. But then, Delia, you couldn't use this because you say you don't pee in the bath. So.
No.
And this is akin to peeing in the bath.
Yeah.
Have you tried peeing in the bath
No.
since we spoke about it?
No. Not in the bath. Some people do it
She
in
doesn't pee in the bath. So if she's in the bath and she wants to use the bathroom, she come out.
Mhm.
All right, this one, you're crazy. How this one work now? While you're flushing the toilet, water is spraying up out of the faucet.
To wash your hand.
To wash your hand. So try and be careful that you don't end up bathing and using the bathroom at the same time.
So the same water that flushes the bowl washes your hand. Oh, you don't think so? Kadeen look on the plumbing now.
But it's clean water come down.
One normal pipe, icy running.
It's clean, but it's clean water come down and wash and flush
I'm
it
just
out.
saying the same water that flush the toilet is washing the hand. Now go be the hand to cook and give meat on your hand.
I went to Japan. The toilets were very interesting for true. Usually very teeny.
I don't know which part of Japan you go. I go to the part where it's very Americanized. Proper hotel.
Tokyo had proper hotels. I was in Tokyo. But then we left and went to Okinawa, which was a little more boutique-ish. And the toilet was like this big. And I couldn't figure out like what was, how to use it and what was to flush on.
No, I went to Nagano.
Very interesting experience.
And yeah, the bathroom was fine.
Also interesting was the frozen
Guyana.
red peas ice cream.
When I went to Guyana and saw the color of the water, initially that kind of freaked me out.
Was it like Flint?
brown. It was
Flint,
brown.
like in Michigan.
Yeah.
Was it clean though? Did they say it was clean?
Well, I wasn't taking a chance with
Yeah,
it.
bottled water, we say.
So I drank bottled water.
Mm-hmm.
But then I also brush my teeth with the bottled water.
Everything. What did you bathe
But
with?
my bathe, you know, the brown water. I couldn't afford so much bottled water. See, when I 6 feet tall and how much
why you
wide.
never just do a
I can't imagine how much bottled water I would have to go buy for
Why
bathe
you never just do
myself.
an APC? We have to break. Why you never do an APC?
No, I was there for a week.
You could have still do APC.
APC for a whole week? No, I use the brown water.
Raquel
would I use the brown water?
You're frightened?
Morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Did you travel to
Interesting
anywhere
stuff in
and
Japan.
see strange toilets?
No.
No. All right, good. Not in St. Elizabeth? A joke. We soon come. We soon come. Soon come.